Are you a USD card trader or you trade USDJPY or EURUSD? If you look at the USD card chart right at this point, you discover that the market is going to come down. And I want to show you why I believe the market is going to come down, because there is something going on this chart you need to pay attention to right now. Also on USDJPY, we're going to see the market begin to have retracement to the upside before continuation. All of this in this video. Pay attention, watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that forex content. If you look at this very chart right here, you discover that the market is at a very strong level of resistance, and this resistance have been tested about 3 times. Look at it here. The first time right at this very point, and the second time right here, and the third touch is at this very area, which means market is very strong at this level. So we can also say that market have capacity of coming back down. But not only that, what I am looking at on this chart is a divergence. There is a divergence that is already on this chart, which have not played out yet because it needs confirmation. And if you draw on the price action from this very point all the way to this very area, you see that market creates a new high. And if you draw exact same point on the indicator, you discover that market creates a new low. The MACD histogram at this very point was very high, and then at this very point it becomes low compared to what it did in the past. What that means is there is a bearish divergence formation that is coming up on this very chart right here. And before we take this divergence into consideration, we must have to look at parameters to confirm that this divergence is really going to come back down. And one important thing that have been confirmed on this very price action is, if you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that it has started formation on the negative side of the MACD, with the histogram on the negative side and forming like this all the way to this very point. Another confirmation that we need to wait for, which have not happened yet, is a breakout of support. So if you draw from here to this very point and you draw it out, we need this breakout to happen because it's very, very important. We don't want to take a divergence that we presume without confirmation. So market need to, first of all, break out, and then after breakout, together with this confirmation, then we can say, yes, it is a guarantee market is going to come back down. So in as much as this have not happened yet on the chart, it is very, very important for you to pay attention to this, so that once we see market move down and break out of this support, then we are very sure to some certain level, let's say 70-80%, that the market is going to come back down. I'm not saying that every divergence confirmation is a short trade market is going to come back down in this very case of bearish divergence. What I'm saying is that that will give you a high probability trade. Let's say 70-80% market is going to come back all the way to the downside after a breakout of this level of important support. And this is what you must have to keep your eye on right now if you are trading this very divergence, or if you are trading USD CAD. And keep in mind that this market still have capacity of coming all the way to the downside, as the case may be, but we need to wait for that very breakout to happen first. And then the next thing here is, if you look at the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart here, you see the markets have failed to create a new high, which is one of the things that also point to the fact that market have capacity of coming all the way to the downside. Look at it at this very point. Market creates a high right at this very area, come back down, create a new high at this point, come back down, and could not create any high any longer. So what we need to wait for is a breakout right here. So market should come back down, break out of this area, and then when we see that breakout, market is going to come back all the way to the downside. Not only that, once we see this very structure break on the 4-hour chart, it is an indication that structure have been broken on the USD CAD 4-hour chart. And what that also means is that markets have capacity of coming all the way to the downside after the breakout of structure, and together with the divergence that is on the 1-day chart. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you are a USD card trader. USD JPY, in my opinion, market is going to move upward. And why do I say so? If you look at this, market move from here straight up without any significant retracement. So for market to move up again in the bullish formation, market have to retrace significantly. We've seen retracement, although, and I've been talking about the retracement on this very channel. And if you took that trade all the way, I was talking about a divergence from this very area, just like we are seeing on USD card, market come back down after that divergence on this very pair, that is USD card. I can show you right here as well. If I zoom this in a little bit and then I move this a little bit forward to see what actually go on the MACD indicator, you see that there was a divergence at this very point. Market move from here and creates new high to this very point. And then if you draw exact same point on the indicator, that is the MACD indicator, discover market created a divergence right at this very point. So divergence, market come back down after a confirmation or a breakout of this very trend line. And remember, this is what we're waiting for on the USD card chart. But right now on USD JPY, market is going to have a retracement. In my opinion, market should retrace, and then after a retracement, market is going to come back down a little bit before continuation all the way to the upside. So what I am looking at right at this very point is for the market to retrace, okay, and come back down, possible creation of a new low, and then market will go up finally from here. This is what I am looking at right now on USD JPY. So if you trade USD JPY, this is the best time for you to consider this very upward movement for a bullish formation, and the market is going to come back down again after the final low. Market is going to begin to move up with this bullish momentum, because I believe market is going to move all the way to the upside after retracement. And this is what you must have to consider on the USD JPY chart. On the Euro USD chart, look at market come back down. We have this very formation on the resistance level, and this was another resistance level right at this point. Market come back down, and then after this formation, bearish formation, market retrace, bearish formation, all the things going to happen to the market. Market is going to retrace, and that is what I am now looking at on this chart. Market should retrace from here to the upside and then continuation again back down. And this is what you must have to keep your eye on if you trade Euro USD. So pay attention to market moving from here to the upside, and then at this very point, market is going to come back down. Remember, this very area was an important level of support, which can turn resistance in the future, and this is what I am looking at. And if you look at this area as well, it is called market move here and then come back here and have just a little move upward, and after then market breakout at this very point, come back down. I believe market should move and have a retest on this level of resistance, and the market is going to come back down again in favor of the US dollars. This is what you must have to look out for if you are trading Euro USD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, it discovered that right now market is at this very point. Market move up, but market did not really move on the chart. Look at it here. Market have a momentum upward on the indicator. Remember, the stochastic RSI indicator is a momentum indicator, which means it's showing you that momentum is moving upward, but on the chart we're not really seeing any movement right now. Two implication, what this means is market have capacity of moving very, very soon, since the indicator has moved all the way from oversold condition all the way to overbought condition. And the second thing is market is not going to move upward. We're going to see a little drop, and the market will begin to move upward for that considerable retracement. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Irregardless of what is going to happen on the chart, what you should pay attention to is either the market come back down a little bit and then move upward, or market begin to move upward. Pay attention to market breaking this level of resistance, because that is a very key resistance on the chart right here that you must have to pay attention to. So once you focus on this resistance, market move upward, break here, then market is going to begin to move upward for that very retracement formation on this very chart in favor of this very bullish momentum that is already gathering at this very area of important support. And this is what you must have to keep your eye on and watch if you are trading Euro USD, especially tomorrow as we come to the end of this week of trading. This is very important right now for all of us trading Euro USD, USDJPY, and USDCAD. All of this technical analysis is important. Keep your eye on this so that you'll be in the right direction of the market. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Check the description and the pinned comment and join our Forex group. If you want to watch my video on the 5 golden rules that help me become a better trader, check this video right here. And if you want to learn how to trade divergence, check this video right here. So it's going to help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.